My people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. But today I did for one location. The location when I come monitor water connector. We want for view for do talk show, give a guy water connector man. Make it face for your house now. Come monitor for today. In front of me now the water connector man be this. Okay, water connector man. Good evening.
Hey, now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening, my people. With the watch shine, I great to know.
Me want to talk to you so. My name is Saboyan. Whatever your name.
My name now Mr. Obi now, water collector man.
So what day and the work one of our viewers give you now come monitor. You will take me around the work. Whether you don't finish it or you sit on it. Before you take me around the work, okay, water connector man, what you go let our viewer when they patronize you. Do this our shine, particularly the one we give you this job.
I would say a big thank you to for people who don't patronize me and the person who give me this work. Now God will bless you for giving me this opportunity to do his job for him. And the ones who I don't do before, God will bless you now. And the ones who intend to give me job, I say God no will ever cease to bless you now. And that's my prayer for now. I greet now. Amen.
Our viewer, before you give enough of our client work, you have to call our number CD on top of this video. Okay, we will start to.
Okay.
You show our viewers the work we do here.
Okay, this one are white material.
Okay,
this
white
one I talk before say now we dey tell customer say which color you need. Then we can full force for customer for a color because now your house, now your choice.
Exactly.
So this material now white material, see the same quality.
The black B.
Black B, but this one are white. The same quality, everything both gutter pipe, the same quality with the black. But just say now the color, now be this one.
Okay, water connector man. I see something like what is that?
Okay.
Oh, near.
Now this place, now funnel be this.
Oh,
so
funnel.
the client say he won't change this pillar. Maybe not put pipe for there yet. Say won't change the pillar. Say not like what they do for a pillar here.
Yes.
Say won't change the pattern of the pillar. So that's why we keep the pipe for the house.
Okay,
once you don't do through with the pillar, you call me. I can't put them back for them.
It's all right because I must ask question because I see him.
Yes. I won't even talk before you ask me. Yes, yes, sir.
They go this side.
So I'm supposed to be the first dropping, but they can't keep the pipe because of the pillar.
It's all right.
Yes, sir.
It's all right. This one is the first dropping.
Yes, very dropping every day, sir. Yeah. You see the scrolling here, scrolling everywhere for the hanger.
Yes.
So now you'll be the thing for the work.
Okay, more they go.
Okay, sir.
And bones silicone gum. Don't be saying the color.
Silicone gum.
Because I see some.
Those are the wrap and you say you know they manage the silicone gum with wrap and wear. So make it know the leak.
Make no leak.
Concern water.
It's all right.
Yes, sir. So the second dropping.
It's not that dropping.
With the bottom of the window.
Window. I don't see.
You know, touch the window.
I don't see. I don't see.
Very this thing. There's some people now they want to do what I go the break person out for. Not be money make person out for. And technicality now will make me put them tabatam come like this.
Exactly. Yeah. And the fit on.
Fit and well, yes, sir. As usual, we don't cut them. Fit inside the way. Very, very strong.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. More than go. More than check the rest.
Okay, sir.
Whether you really finish or you sit on it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, another drop will be this.
Another drop will be this one.
So that I see when they take level,
yes, level maybe follow. Because no see feel them.
They'll take level.
Yes, sir.
Okay, more they go. Most of it follow here because let's say the first cut soccer way there.
Yes, sir.
Now that drop is be this.
Yes, that dropping be this one. See. Schooling everywhere.
I see.
On the schooling, everything is schooled.
Made for strong.
Okay. And you see, I be wrap this thing. You see, this kind of point now, they manage gun for that kind of point. You start to wrap up for there. Water feel a leak, and there that be the main thing. You can only leak for them. You start to use the wrapped covered. Because I will say, because thank God say rain fall today. I will say rain fall now. You go they drop.
You go they drop.
I see down now, not like since they video. I just they like it be. That's something they did a very good job there. And if you see this hanger now, it's so straight, balance, and get some hanger way they will do. You go bend.
That's it, bend.
Na wire they use.
Okay, wire.
Wire that make am be like that.
So as they give our viewers the idea, very
yes,
good.
Sir. Yes, sir.
May they follow the instruction.
They hide. How to wetin they bad. We can know
May they for not put this. How do you call that? When they not be wire. When they
yes, wire.
Because Oyibo no do this thing. You not done with wire.
You not done with wire. You even feel brand for Google say method of using to hang gutter.
Yes.
You will see you hanger for the internet.
Exactly.
So they tell you say they use hanger. They go come they use wire, and that wire if it cut,
and it
don't spoil. So what do you need of the hanger? So now that screw use our driller drill am go up. So now you'll be thing.
As you drill this one soon.
Yes,
as you say,
drill this one. That's you drill for the hanger.
Yes.
And you notice now no dropping of water. This one I'm waiting say rain fall. Yeah. If you say rain, say it really drop.
Yes.
If for the see, you they see say.
You go they no, you go drop.
As they see the video. Because now white now you see the not be saying that now black. Like see they say yes say this rain never to take away fall 2 hours ago. Not to fall. I will see the leak, but the drops.
Yes, from here because here they now from here show them the dropping. It's all right. Where they go?
Yes, sir.
The lad drop is in this one. And the white, it makes sense.
Makes sense. Now,
and the white is fine.
They fine. Yes. Let's see. Not be eating for the thing. People they look at as beauty, but this one now, if you put them now, screen down.
Oh, you go mash.
That's in a White House. It be. But
I show you this one. You go mash. It's all right. Okay. We go now. Okay. Now up walk or climb. So now
come.
Yeah, now hill.
Sorry for yeah.
Me something climber. Yeah, now wow.
Sorry.
My people, okay, water connector van don't take me round the house and they don't finish the work. So okay, water connector man, like how much cost do you know? We take fix this thing for your house, this water connector.
On this house now 10 dropping. And you hear some people will be say they will collect the money, they're going to give the customer 8 dropping. Not be like that. Because if I do measure work, I tell my customer say, see how many drop I want put for you.
Yes.
Now 10. Everything. See the goat I want put for you. They display everything, they display honest with my own work. And another person will say, okay, you write down for finish, you know, go show the customer how much she pay, the estimate, and say, okay, see so amount he want to give you. Understand? At least person will give you money, supposed to know what you want to do. Your plan. You have that person do one person want like president want to do budget now. You go bring out the budget, you align the budget, say
yes,
how much you want use for the budget. Now so my work be I dey show him everything. You go to type must dey the paper. Everything must dey. So everything, both the labor, everything go they see am for the paper, say yes, see what this guy want use. So if they give person work, then say well, if you see the paper, make it see am, list everything, make I see am, the prices, everything, make it see am. Cause me, I be very transparent person. Make them say yes, see what you want use. In case you come see your house, you hold the paper, you will say okay, true, this guy put something here, put something there, put something. Help say you don't give you work, you go they carry pull 7 pipe per person, but because say maybe no, I not be like that. You better say I see. Even 5,000 for all the work, say yes, I like to do my work, make I satisfy my customer.
Exactly.
And that be the thing.
Exactly.
So this total work now with the materials and the labor, everything now 300,000 naira I do for them.
Okay, 300,000 both the labor.
Yeah, both the labor, both everything.
Okay. In case of other for you come across this work through our channel, if it's doing the same price, we do this very one for
yes,
this.
I will do on the same price. Okay. That's what saying to my clients. At least I will do one for you where now 10 dropping, 9 my work, and not be 9, not be 8.
Yes.
Because this dropping now waiting, you require enough of pipe so that make the pressure not they come the suck and because
yes,
if water 2 day for gutter, if they give them weight and if you give them weight now go they shake and so pipe see they from they very very important. It's very very important. Forget say this thing pipe they important and then water they come down. You know, that person won't throw away waste. If you not throw away waste, you not trying away, you know, something will happen to the system. And so you'll be for the gutter. You understand?
You quick call your number when we have to reach you.
My number now 070-6978-6509.
On that number, they want to reach you. You quick
Yes,
call
sir.
them.
And 080-3388-4611.
My people, I greet you for the time when I see they watch this video.